philosopher. Today I'm going to bring a topic that's about how to nudging the somas. And we will explore how live-configured mixed reality object shapes like an open-ended intercorporeal movement. So how can virtual objects shape our movement in XR? Usually there's a two-way. One is like using guidance, like using AR guidance telling people what exactly they need to do. Second is about forced simulation, including EMS and haptics and also acceleration, and that force you to move. So is there any other way or any other third way? So can we apply the concept of nudging from behavioral economics to XR movement? What is nudging? So in behavioral economics, nudging is a subtle change to the environment that will influence people's behavior without obeying any options. And nudging often operates by strategically range of avoidance. So thus we create this GravField, gravitational field, experimental intercorporeal performance system for like a co-located mixed reality. So here's the setup. You can see everyone in the field wear mixed reality AR glasses. It's called HoloKit. I invented that. And it's a visual pass-through device. You can not only see the virtual object, but also you can maintain the eye contact with each other. So and then behind the scene, there sits some guys called object hockey. This guy is object hockey, much like a DJ mixing tracks. The OJ life codes the digital physics of the digital object and in the field, and through this like a Ableton Live and a Unity interface, and also with a customized life coding system based on Sarah's Coda system. And the OJ aren't directly control the participant; they control the object to nudge the participant. So we created three mixed reality objects as a prototype. One is a rope, and the second one is a spring. The third one is a magnetic field. So here's the problem. Digital objects do not have a force feedback. How can we evoke like an intuitive sense of digital physics to gently nudging the user? Sonification. So like that was like yesterday's like a workshop about that. And so yes, let's show some video. So like you can see the like behavior emerging like through this like kind of sound intuition. The second one is the spring. So the different heights between people will change different pitch. The third one is magnetic field, and two people are positive, one people is negative. It's a three-party problem. Those behaviors totally emerging, no one telling them what to do. They're just based on the digital physics they feel to act. So, and I would like to have a study about this like an interesting system. So there's a two argue. One argue is like how mixed reality object nudging the collective behavior. Second one is how live configuration sustain the open-ended exploration. So we conducted 25 participants in a workshop. After they tried our system with 3 different affordance, and we want them to watch their recorded performance video of themselves and to record and draw this kind of soma trajectory to join their feeling over the whole timeline, and including the sense of boredom and the unfamiliarity and the sense of agency. And here's some result. Because the participant cannot physically touch the object, so the synesthesis, a visual audio mapping, function as a perceptual proxy for materiality and enable people to see and hear digital physics. And the tension and also the momentum and the field strength, everything can be felt through the sonification. So, because nudging really requires it's grounded in our human brain, which means our a 1,000, maybe a 1,000 million years, a human a physical intuition. So you cannot change that digital physics too extreme. So there's a certain range. So that's during our experiment we found that. Second, it's about the emergence of coordination and the meaning through the shared agency. So agency is continuously negotiate amount participant, OJ, and the object. So there's no one thing can dominate. So there's a very decentralized shared authorship, and coordination emerging through the self-organization symphony and the object, mixed reality object, providing a situated clue that bias the collective behavior. And the next one is we found there's a very interesting life nudging spiral. So the participant moved through this sequential stage we found, learning and trying to familiarize this new digital physics and internalize that digital physics to their body, and then they try to coordinate based on that digital physics intuition with each other, and then they try to explore based on that intuition what they can do, and then they get bored. And then the OJ realize they are bored. They try to change the digital physics parameter dynamically so they can create a new environment for those people. So they get reignite the participant to engage in this a new game. So basically it's iteratively evolving system. So the body is smarter than we think. It doesn't need to be told or forced. It just needs to be invited. So that's my talk.